Are you struggling with insomnia? Do you find it hard to fall asleep at night? These are questions that millions of people grapple with each day, and the impact of insomnia on our overall quality of life is undeniable. Insomnia not only leaves us feeling drained and lethargic, but it can also lead to a host of other health problems if left unaddressed. But fret not, for there are solutions to this pervasive issue. Today we dive into the realm of natural remedies for insomnia, a topic that has been gaining traction in recent years. These remedies range from herbal supplements to mindfulness practices, and they all share one common goal: to help you achieve that much-needed restful sleep. Join us as we explore these remedies, delving into their benefits, usage recommendations, and how they can potentially transform your sleep patterns. So if you're tired of counting sheep and are ready to welcome a good night's sleep, you're in the right place. Stay tuned to discover some natural remedies that could help improve your sleep. Melatonin is a hormone that your body produces at night. It signals to your brain that it's time to sleep. Now, isn't that fascinating? Our bodies have this built-in natural sleep regulator working like a charm every night. It's like having a personal bedtime storyteller that whispers, "Hey, it's time to hit the hay." But what happens when this storyteller is interrupted? When, say, you're working late into the night, or maybe you're dealing with jet lag from a long-haul flight? That's when things can go off balance. Your melatonin production might be disrupted, making it difficult to fall asleep. And that's where melatonin supplements come into play. Melatonin supplements are a popular over-the-counter remedy for those struggling with insomnia. They work by supplementing your body's natural melatonin production, which can be particularly helpful when your sleep-wake cycle has been disturbed. For example, shift workers or frequent travelers, who often find their sleep pattern disrupted, may benefit from melatonin supplements. But it's not just about helping you fall asleep. Studies have shown that melatonin supplements can also improve the quality of sleep. You might find yourself having fewer awakenings during the night and feeling more refreshed in the morning. How do you take melatonin supplements? They are usually taken orally about 30 minutes to 2 hours before bedtime. The dosage can vary, but it's generally recommended to start with a low dose and gradually increase it if needed. However, it's important to remember that while melatonin supplements can be beneficial, they are not a cure-all. They should be used as part of a broader approach to improve sleep hygiene, which includes maintaining a regular sleep schedule, creating a quiet and comfortable sleep environment, and avoiding caffeine and electronic devices close to bedtime. And here's the most important bit. Remember, before you start any new supplement, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional. After all, good sleep is a journey, not a destination, and it helps to have a trusted guide on that journey. Lavender oil is commonly used for its calming and relaxing properties. And when we talk about natural remedies for insomnia, it's impossible to ignore this aromatic powerhouse. Lavender oil has been capturing the hearts and noses of people for centuries, and not just for its pleasing fragrance. The real magic lies in its ability to promote tranquility and improve sleep quality. So how exactly does lavender oil do this? Well, it's all about the power of aroma. When you inhale the scent of lavender, it interacts with the neurotransmitter systems in your brain, helping to quiet the mind and body. As a result, it can ease anxiety, slow down your heart rate, and prepare your body for a good night's sleep. Think of it as nature's lullaby, soothing your senses and lulling you into a peaceful slumber. Now, you might be wondering how to incorporate lavender oil into your bedtime routine. It's simple, really. You could add a few drops of the oil into a diffuser and let it fill your room with its calming scent. Alternatively, you can sprinkle a couple of drops on your pillow or even apply it to your temples and wrists. But remember, essential oils are potent, so always dilute it with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil before applying directly to the skin. What's fantastic about lavender oil is that it's not just a one-trick pony. Apart from improving sleep, it's also known to reduce stress levels, alleviate headaches, and even aid in digestion. Truly, it's a holistic remedy that could benefit your overall well-being. Of course, as with any natural remedy, results may vary from person to person. It's always a good idea to try it out and see if it works for you. And if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have a pre-existing medical condition, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before introducing new elements into your routine. Lavender oil could be a soothing addition to your bedtime routine. Its calming aroma might just be the natural sleep aid you've been looking for. So why not give it a try? After all, a good night's sleep is the foundation of a healthy lifestyle. Valerian root is a herb that has been used for centuries to treat insomnia. This perennial plant native to Europe and Asia may seem ordinary, but its roots pack a powerful punch when it comes to promoting rest and tranquility. So how does this unassuming herb help us catch those elusive Z's? Valerian root works its magic by interacting with gamma-aminobutyric acid or GABA, a chemical messenger that helps regulate nerve impulses in your brain and nervous system. Higher levels of GABA contribute to sedation. The compounds in valerian root, namely valerianic acid and isovaleric acid, inhibit the breakdown of GABA in the brain, resulting in feelings of calmness and tranquility. This action not only helps you fall asleep faster, but also improves the quality of your sleep, making you feel more rested and recharged in the morning. Now you may be wondering, how do I use valerian root? The most common way is in its supplement form. Valerian root is widely available as capsules, tablets, or liquid extracts. The recommended dosage for adults is 400 to 900 milligrams per day, taken 2 hours before bedtime. Valerian root tea is another popular option. This earthy, slightly sweet tea can be a calming addition to your bedtime routine. To prepare, simply steep 1 teaspoon of dried valerian root in a cup of hot water for 10 minutes. While valerian root is generally considered safe for most people, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, or taking other medications. Remember, while valerian root can help improve sleep, it's not a cure-all. Good sleep hygiene, including maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, creating a restful environment, and avoiding stimulants like caffeine and electronics before bed, are also vital for achieving quality sleep. Valerian root might be worth a try if you're looking for a natural way to improve your sleep. It's a time-tested, nature-approved aid that may just hold the key to unlocking your best night's sleep yet. Mindful meditation is a practice that involves focusing on the present moment without judgment. This powerful tool, when harnessed correctly, can become an invaluable ally in our battle against insomnia. Let's delve into the heart of mindful meditation. It's all about being fully present, fully engaged in whatever is happening around you and within you. It's not about trying to change anything or make anything different. It's about allowing things to be exactly as they are, embracing the full range of human experience with open-hearted presence. Now, how does this tie into insomnia? Well, sleeplessness often arises from a restless mind, tangled in worries of the past or anxieties about the future. Mindful meditation helps us break free from these mental knots, anchoring us in the here and now. It encourages us to let go of these stressors, and in doing so promotes relaxation and ultimately, sleep. Practicing mindful meditation doesn't require any fancy equipment or special settings. All you need is a quiet space where you won't be disturbed and a few minutes of your time. Begin by finding a comfortable position, close your eyes if you wish, and take a few deep breaths. Allow your attention to rest on the sensation of your breath as it moves in and out. If your mind wanders, gently guide it back to the breath without judgment. Remember, the goal isn't to clear your mind or have no thoughts. It's about becoming an observer of your thoughts, letting them come and go without getting caught up in their storyline. Over time, this practice can help you cultivate a sense of calm and ease, making it easier to drift off into a restful night's sleep. So, if you find yourself lying awake at night, why not give mindful meditation a try? It might just be the key to unlocking a night of deep, rejuvenating sleep. Remember, as with any new practice, patience is key. It might take some time to get the hang of it, but the potential benefits make it well worth the effort. Mindful meditation could help you relax and fall asleep more easily. Regular exercise is not only good for your physical health, but it can also improve your sleep. Let's take a closer look at how this works. When you exercise, your body temperature rises, and the post-exercise drop in temperature can promote falling asleep. Exercise also reduces insomnia by decreasing arousal, anxiety, and depressive symptoms. It provides an all-natural treatment for sleep issues by aiding the body's circadian rhythms or the body's internal clock, helping you feel more awake during the day and sleepier at night. So, what type of exercises could you incorporate into your routine? Well, the choice is vast. Aerobic exercises like walking, running, cycling, or swimming are all excellent choices. These activities increase the amount of oxygen that reaches your blood and boost your overall health, improving sleep quality. However, it's not just about high-intensity workouts. Even gentle forms of exercise like yoga or Tai Chi can help. Yoga, with its series of postures and controlled breathing exercises, is a popular stress reducer, The tension and stress reduction yoga provides can be particularly beneficial to those suffering from insomnia. But remember, timing is key. While regular exercise is a fantastic sleep aid, performing it too close to bedtime can have the opposite effect. This is because exercise releases endorphins that can keep you awake. So, aim to finish any vigorous exercise 3 hours before bed, and calming exercises like yoga can be done as little as 10 minutes before bed. Importantly, consistency matters. A sporadic exercise routine won't do much good. It's about making exercise a habit. Regular physical activity, even of moderate intensity, such as a brisk walk, can help to improve the quality of sleep, making it easier for you to fall asleep and stay asleep. Incorporating exercise into your daily routine could help you sleep better at night. So, why not give it a try? It's a natural remedy that not only helps you sleep, but also boosts your overall health and well-being. Now that's what you call a win-win. So, there you have it. Some natural remedies for insomnia that you can try. We've explored the calming effects of melatonin, the soothing power of lavender oil, the sleep-inducing properties of valerian root, the tranquility that mindful meditation can bring, and the importance of regular exercise in maintaining a healthy sleep cycle. Each of these remedies offers a unique approach to tackling those sleepless nights. Remember, while these are all natural remedies, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before introducing any new supplements into your routine. They can provide you with the best advice tailored to your individual needs, and can help you avoid any potential interactions or side effects. In the end, achieving quality sleep is about more than just finding the right remedy. It's about creating a consistent bedtime routine, maintaining good sleep hygiene, and fostering a sleep-friendly environment. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and advice. Sleep well.